Hi, my name is Darren, and I'm actually recording this video because I've came across this lessons that I found on YouTube that I found recently, and I've started learning about Forex trading from your videos, and now I'm actually approaching this lesson 22 where it says that I have to do a review. So here's my review. So as I started this Forex trading, it was a very interesting thing for me because I was actually a completely beginner. I didn't know anything about this, and when I came approach to this kind of stuff, I think it's amazing because it's actually a way to make a living out of it. You can actually make money if you actually have the right plan, the right trick, the right strategy, which I think the strategy is very important because you really need these knowledges, or else you're just gonna lose your money. So I think the lessons that I have came across, it's very, very comprehensive. I think it covers up a lot of things that I wouldn't know, and I seek to get a lot more lessons from you. And also I've learned things like Fibonacci, things that I would never learn, supports and resistance, and also all of this TradingView, this software. That's a very good software, and also I'm very, very glad that I can get this discount from you. So I think I will continue to learn from you, and I seek a lot more knowledge from you, which you said we don't look at the money, we seek the knowledge, and eventually the money will come. So I will wait for that day.